Hey guys, it's a little bit later in the afternoon. Goodwill is going to be closing soon, but I have to go to UPS, which is across the street, so I'm going to run in really quick and see if we can find anything at the Goodwill Bins. Alright, so far it is not looking that promising. I'm seeing lots of toys, not too much stuff on the top. Sometimes it's filled up with stuff. Today it is not, but we're here. So we're going to look around. We're going to do a quick lap and hopefully we can find something good. Here's some little jack-o'-lanterns. Those are cute. You could even paint them white and have them look like pottery. I don't know if I'm ready to start collecting for Halloween yet though. What is that? I think that's like a little tea light holder. Oh, look at these little bunny rabbits. I think I'm gonna leave those here. They're a little bit bright for me. Now that cute little country look that I like in my little bunny rabbits. Yeah, I'm not seeing too much. Lots of games today as well. There's a clock. This is plastic, not wood. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that here. Here's some fun hats. Oh, Lord, y'all hear stuff happening in the back. They got a yellow one. Let's put them up here because I'm not going to get these, but somebody else might want them. We have a pink one. We have this yellow, like woven one with the yellow stripe. We have a bright pink one right here. And then we also have this orange one. This piece is still here. That has been here since last week. What is this? It's like a, oh my gosh, this would be such a cool cloche. Somebody cut the bottom off of this. I wonder if I could clean it up. It has some kind of film on it. I don't know, I think it's worth a shot. How awesome would that be as a cloche? And I could just find a base for it or make a base. Look at this cute little rabbit figurine. He does, I think there's something on him. I wonder if I could get that off because he's cute. And then look at this piece, y'all. I don't know what's supposed to be in here, but currently it is her head. That's a little weird. Oh look, we got one of these again. I always forget what these are called. Is it like snow babies or snow angels or something like that? Picture frame. Alright, we're at the end of the bins. I looked through all the walls and just did not find much today. This is plastic. Ooh, what are these? Some little fabric flags. They already have an aged look to them that I love. Look at that. Alright, we definitely need these because I had so much fun doing an Americana decorating video this year, so I'm definitely going to be doing that every year from now on. That was a ton of fun. Oh, these are cute. They're like little sticky animals. I might get these to bring to Ren's school because they do little treasure boxes. You know, if the kids do something good or they go to the potty or whatever, they get to pick out the treasure box, and you know, they love little things like that. As you can see, it is lots and lots of clothing today. If you haven't been to the Goodwill Bins before, this is what it's like. These big blue bins full of stuff. And sometimes they're filled with home decor items that we love. And sometimes they're just filled with clothing and shoes. And that seems to be the case today. Lots. Oh, what is this? That's a cute little blanket. It feels nice too. It feels expensive. Oh yeah, look. This is why, let me tell y'all, this is why I dig without gloves. You can feel quality. Pottery born. I could tell this was nice when I picked it up. If I had gloves on, first of all, it'd be hard to work my phone. And you can feel quality. So this is coming home with me. You know, at the thrift store, some days are hit, some days are missed. Today was definitely a miss. There was not, I'm checking out with just a few items. They did not have a lot. There's a long line to check out, so I just went through everything. Again, walked around the store, see if there was anything that I missed, and I just don't see anything today. There's not even any good furniture, but you never know. I could come back tomorrow and it could be absolutely amazing. You just have to come often. You just have to check. That's how you find the good stuff. You have to put the time in. So I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure at the Goodwill Bins, and I will see y'all in the next one.